Whether it's your first time selling a home or you've been through the process before, I've got some tips that will help you really show off your home and make sure it gets the attention it deserves. I'm talking about the easy things that you can do to highlight your home's best features and get the most value out of it. Want to know how to transform your space and attract buyers? Well, stick around for these insider tips. So you've probably wondered how to make your home irresistible to buyers, right? Well, today I'm going to walk you through some of the super practical home staging tips that can make a huge difference. Trust me, these little changes can help sell your home faster than you thought possible. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Jeff Thibodeau, your local real estate broker with over 15 years experience helping homeowners navigate the market with confidence. I love sharing tips and strategies to help you sell your home quickly and for a great price. So if that sounds like something you're into, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more of my videos right on your home screen. Okay, let's dive right into home staging. Did you know that a well-staged home can sell up to 73% faster than one that's not? It's crazy, right? It's not just about having a great house, it's about presenting it in a way that makes buyers fall in love with it as soon as they walk in the door. So let's start with decluttering. I know, we all accumulate lots of stuff, but when it comes to selling, less is always more. You need to go through each room and put things into keep, donate, or storage piles. It's not only going to make your place look more spacious, but also make moving easier when that time comes. Next, you're going to want to depersonalize. And I get it. We all love our family photos, mementos, and other trinkets, but buyers need to be able to picture their life in the space, not yours. So take down your overly personal touches and let the buyer imagine their own story unfolding in your home. Want another key tip? Neutral colors. Think soft grays, warm beiges, even classic whites. It opens up the space and lets buyers focus on the actual room instead of bold and bright, trendy colors. Also, don't forget about lighting. Open up all your curtains and let the natural light in, and maybe even add a few accent lamps or brighter light bulbs in the darker areas to brighten things up. A well-lit space feels welcoming and makes a big difference in how buyers feel when they walk in your home. Okay, here's a fun one. Scents. Now, you don't need to go overboard, but a subtle, fresh smell like vanilla or clean linens can really make your home feel more inviting. And on the flip side, if there's any negative scents in the home, we need a plan to take care of those right away. So to wrap it all together, think about your home's best features. Maybe it's a cozy fireplace or that updated kitchen. Whatever it is, make sure that buyers notice it. Arrange the furniture to highlight that feature and use little touches like maybe setting your dinner table or putting a comfy chair by the window to show the lifestyle your home offers. Remember, home staging is about helping buyers see themselves living in a space. If you have a patio, set it up with some outdoor furniture to show how great it is relaxing in the evenings. Or if you have a spare room, consider staging it as a home office, which is a big draw these days. So there you go. Those are my top tips for staging your home to sell quickly and for the best price. I'm curious, have you tried any of these before and did it work out for you? I'd love to hear what you've done to help your home sell faster, or if you have any other questions, just drop them down in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and feel free to share it with someone else who might need these tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more real estate advice. If you need any help planning your next sale, my contact information is all in the video description below. Thanks for watching and happy selling.